Hello guys, and welcome to another day with Zimaleta. Today's video I want to do another unboxing. The summer's here and obviously staying cool is a must, and this is actually what I have inside over here, inside of this box. It is a personal fan, it's a personal cooler, but it uses water to vaporize it, like basically like vaporize water, and then you put more water in there, and that's how it works. So I'm very curious to see how it works. So let's get to unboxing. So check it out, guys. So we have a light as well. So kind of cool. It doubles up as a light. You could just kind of like plug it in over here. What? It's already charged? That is interesting. We do have a micro USB type of cable. So anyways guys, to actually remove this, you just twist it and then you simply align it right here, kind of like a little bit to the right, and then you pop it right back. But we need to actually add some water inside. And we're gonna fill it up to the max. This is a max, so perfectly holds about like 12 ounces of water. So now we're gonna need to set this down. So now this is on right here, and at this point it's actually not blowing the water itself, it's not vaporizing. But when I actually put it against kind of like my face here, I actually do feel just like a normal fan would be, just you know, like the cool type of sensation. But to turn the vaporizing action on, you just basically put this here, and now look at this mist. Guys, this is so fine that it doesn't even get my hand wet. It's pretty cool. Blows it towards you. Guys, check it out, like how cool it is. I mean, this thing is like so cute actually. I really like it. Obviously you see there's like right now no wires. Obviously it gets charged. But guys, this is actually feels really awesome. As you can see, there's like no airdrop. No droplets of water on my face at all, but it just kind of like, just really does chills me. Like, I feel that this space right here is actually completely cool, which is kind of awesome. And my days of expedite, I wish I actually had something like this that I could just kind of like set up and just have it work. And I think I've read somewhere that it works for 12 hours. Probably not on the battery life, but the water itself is going to last about 12 hours in there. But just water, pour more in there. But guys, this is kind of like awesome, don't you think? Especially if you go to sleep, you know, you'll have your night light, and if you want, you could just unplug it. And a higher speed. What? So it's got a low speed, a medium setting, a high setting, and then you could turn on mist or turn it off. So right now I just turned it off. And let's turn it back on. So, wow. Guys, imagine yourself like if you're like in an office somewhere. First of all, it's really quiet. Very quiet. You're just kind of like sitting there, working away, and this is actually just cooling you. This is a deluxe version air cooler and humidifier. The difference between a deluxe version air cooler and humidifier is that it does come with a rechargeable battery. You charge it by the USB. As you can see, there's no wires right now. It takes about 3 hours to charge it. I'm not sure how long it actually takes till it basically dies, but having a USB charger, you could just plug it into your laptop or into like a USB outlet like in your vehicle. Also, it comes with a personal light right here. The fan comes with 3 speeds, and it does come with a mist on or off. This mist right here, it basically mists at like, it's so fine because the vibrations that are happening are at 108,000 times vibrations, so it completely like vaporizes. And right at the bottom here, of course some water is going to collect, whether it's from here or condensed type of water like condensation. There's a collect tray, and it's actually going to go ahead and actually go right back into the tray here. Now all you do is fill it up with water, and this water is actually going to last about 12 hours. That's in here. It does have a diffuser here, so you just basically pull this out and put some oil in here, and so it diffuses your air. So basically you got a personal cooling type of fan, you got a light, you got a diffuser, and you got like a water type of a mist, all in one, and with a rechargeable battery if you get a deluxe model. Hey guys, obviously you can see there's a LED light on top, but what you don't know is there's actually a mood light, and you control the mood light right here with this button. As you can see, it just changes color. It goes from like a purple to like a light green, and then a little bit bluish. It's a green color right now. It's back to purple, and basically just kind of like cycles through. So depending on your mood, this is the color you're gonna get. But the LED light, to turn it off, you just simply unplug it, and that's it. And you're gonna have your personal fan like that. So you guys are probably wondering, how much does this unit cost? Actually, right now they have a special that's going on their website. You buy one, get one free. So it says $19.95, two easy payments of $19.95, buy one, get one free. So if you guys are interested in picking up this unit, I'm actually going to leave a link in the description below if you actually want to pick one up. But let me actually tell you that the air that's actually coming out of here, guys, it actually feels quite cool, and it is like vaporizing it, like in a way that this space here, this personal space, it does feel like it's cool. Like you could just basically just like relax, do your work and stuff like that. Well, anyways guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in
my name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.